Watch this silent clip come to life with the magic of AI. Want to know how I did this? First, click the link in the comments, click on demo to get started. Now upload your video file. Don't worry if it's silent, we are about to change it. Just type in the simple prompt to describe the kind of sounds you want. Click generate and that's it. Let's check it out. Here you go, in seconds your video gets awesome sound effects just as you imagined. If you're not happy with the results, don't worry, just change these settings and try again. Finally, just hit download and your video will be downloaded with the perfect sound effects. And that's how you can bring the silent videos to life with epic sound effects. Try it out now and let me know what you think in the comments below.